Upflip just released a video titled 320K per year business you can start tomorrow, $400 startup. That's a powerful claim. $400, start tomorrow, make $320,000 a year. Let's slow this down and break it apart. First, this is a real business. Ashley has been making soap for 4 years. She did $320,000 in revenue last year. She has employees. She's posting 3 times a day on social media. And she's clearly built a legitimate brand. This is not fake. But the framing matters. The title makes it sound like this is something you can start tomorrow and scale quickly. That's not what actually happened. She didn't hit $320,000 in year 1. She didn't start with 450,000 followers. She didn't have built-in demand. She started at farmers markets. She posted consistently. She built trust over years. Now let's talk numbers. Revenue was $320,000, not profit. Out of that, payroll runs $12,000 to $14,000 per month. Shipping is $4,500 to $6,000 per month. Materials scale with volume. Packaging costs, equipment, overhead. And here's the part that really changes the picture. Only $190,000 of that came from physical product sales. The rest came from online courses, digital soap recipes, social media monetization, brand deals. So this isn't just a soap business, it's a product business plus a content business. That's a completely different model than make soap in your kitchen. Now, let's address the $400 startup claim. Technically, yes, you can buy a crock pot, sodium hydroxide, oils, molds, and start making soap for around $400. But the real barrier is not startup cost. It's attention. She posts 3 times per day. She built hundreds of thousands of followers. That's the real moat. You're not competing with $400. You're competing with 4 years of daily content. Now, to be fair, this is a solid model. Soap is consumable, repeat purchase, high margin, brandable, and she layered digital revenue on top of it. That's smart, but the honest version of the title would be 4-year soap brand built with daily content and community hits, $320K revenue. Not as flashy, but accurate. So, can you start this tomorrow? Yes. Can you realistically hit $320K quickly? Only if you're ready to post daily, build audience consistently, learn marketing, reinvent yourself publicly. Treat it like a real long-term business. This isn't a $400 shortcut. It's a $400 entry point into a multi-year commitment. Big difference.